Hi everyone. Today we're gonna make hummus and we're gonna really make it very easy and it's gonna be very delicious. And we're gonna make it from a can, which is very simple. This is gonna be a can of Garbanzo beans. And we are going to use the following ingredients. We're gonna have 4 ice cubes, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3/4 teaspoons of Himalayan salt, 1/3 cup of tahini sauce, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and cup and a half of garbanzo beans, which is 1 can drained and washed. And we're gonna put all the ingredients in the blender and we're gonna show you how we're gonna make it.
So let's mix in all the ingredients. Ice cubes, garbanzo beans, garlic, salt, olive oil, lemon juice, and tahini sauce. And then we'll just get all that. Okay, now let's blend it all up. Make sure this is on securely. Okay, ready?
Now say something. If you have a Vitamix, we have this tool that we can open it up and push the hummus, the garbanzo beans down. But if you don't have this tool, then you can just get a spatula and every 30 seconds, you stop it and you just push it down and mix it, okay? So we're gonna blend it for how long, Michelle? 5 to 6 minutes.
5 to 6 minutes.
Till it becomes creamy.
All right. Okay, so we've finished blending all that up, and if you can see, well, I'll show you. It's a nice creamy consistency. Let's just get this out of the way. Okay. And we're gonna pour it out. All right, so here's the hummus. This is what it looks like. Nice and creamy, smells delicious, garlicky. So now we need to put a sauce on top of the hummus.
Okay, well, I'm gonna show you how in the restaurants usually they decorate this. So with the spoon, you do like this. And this will get harder when you put it in the refrigerator. Then you get this like a teaspoon with water and with paprika. You put like this and you put like this. One on this side and one on the other side. Or you can use a fork. You put it on the paprika like this side. So here is our hummus. So now we're gonna do the sauce for the hummus. So the ingredients are 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a half tablespoon of parsley, and like this is 1/8 teaspoon of hot chili. Hot chili, really spicy. Or if you want, you can put just a green chili if you don't have this paste. And you just put all the ingredients together. Michelle, and 2 cloves of garlic. Michelle gonna smash the garlic. I'm gonna add the garlic over this. So if you like it more lemony, you can just add more lemon juice. You can taste it with
Yum.
pita bread or tortilla chips or carrot sticks, celery sticks, any vegetables. You can cut it and you can eat it with. So now I'm gonna just show you the sauce here. Usually when I have like a party, I make a large platter of hummus and I put the sauce on the side so people have the option how much they want to put sauce on it. Okay, so let me show you now. We're gonna put the sauce over it.